Hello, Sugar Fam. Welcome to yet another video of Sugar Care Academy. Today, we are back with Birkenstock, the very popular footwear that is not only fashionable yet comfortable, but of course comes at a very expensive price. But the most important question that we get is how do you take care of your Birkins? We have done a video before. I will link it here and you can watch it. But as we explored more on the Birkenstock footwear, now there are different types of materials that are used. So the slipper I'm today working on is the Birkenstock that has a footbed of cork foam. It is not suede, it is cork foam. So the biggest problem with the Birkenstock is the impressions that we get on the footbed, which is really hard to remove, and we actually don't know how to remove. So today I will be using the ultimate kit, and let's see how we get rid of these toe impressions that we get on the footbed here. First things first is I will keep the left Birkenstock for comparison basis later and work my way on the right Birkenstock. The first step to clean the Birkenstock is unbuckle the strap. Super important because this way we can clean the entire strap really well, and also we'll get a better surface area to clean the footbed. The strap of this particular Birkenstock is of microfiber, so I can use the soft brush or the towel because it is a little to the sensitive side, so don't use medium or hard brush on this. For the footbed, as I told you earlier, it is cork foam. For that, we will be using the soft brush as well. First things first, that is dry brush. Super important, as I always repeat in the videos. Our dry brushing is done. The next step, taking the collapsible bowl, putting 200 to 250 ml of water. Our sugar clean. All you need is 3 squirts of sugar clean. 1, 2, and 3. The biggest question that you guys ask, and plenty of people also doubted, that whether water can be used for cleaning a Birkenstock or not, because cork is sensitive to water. Also because this is also cork foam. So we have to keep in mind that we cannot use excess water. If you have the ultimate kit and you prepared the solution, you take the soft brush, dip it in the solution, make sure that you have removed excess water so that you don't damage the cork or the cork foam. I will work on the straps first. Now I've cleaned the straps. Wipe it with the microfiber towel. Now I'm working on the most important and the most difficult part, that is the toe impressions on the footbed. As you can clearly and visibly see how dominant these are on the footbed. I will again emphasize, do not use excessive water. Let's get into this footbed. After cleaning this with the soft brush, there are still some impressions that I can see. For that, I don't want to apply much pressure because it might just damage the cork foam as it's really soft. For that, there is a wonderful hack that I'll tell you. Just take the microfiber cloth, dip it in the solution that you prepared, squeeze the excess water and apply pressure with your finger on the footbed. The same trick I use on the heel with the microfiber towel as well. Footbed that we have cleaned is looking really nice. Now moving on the midsoles, this material is harder than our footbed that was cork foam. So in this part, that is midsole, we will be using our medium brush. dip it in the solution, remove the excess water as cork is sensitive. This is it, and we start cleaning. I'm cleaning in small patches because we don't want the water to sit for long and damage our Birkins. Moving on the outsole, this is Eva outsole. We will be using the hard brush on it. We are done with the outsole as well, and this is how it looks. And I will show you how a Birkenstock looked before. The footbed of this Birkenstock looks really clean. Moving on the outsole, that is definitely a shocker for you guys, but I was really confident कि ये साफ हो जाएगा और ये दिख रहा है कि कितना साफ है. So the Ultimate Kit has done its job really good, but a tip to keep in mind is that every Birkenstock is different. So whichever Birkenstock you have, please Google it first, look at the material so you are sure that whether you need a suede kit or the Ultimate Kit or even both. I hope this video was really helpful for you guys and informative. So don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to love your shoes.